Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then show that 2 of a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5 is equal to 5abc over bracket a square plus b square plus c square. So here some logic is there. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem? First of all, what is given? A plus b plus c equal to 0. Already we know that a plus b will be equal to minus c. Here making to the rising to the power of 5 a plus b whole to the power of 5 is equal to minus c to the power of 5. So here a plus b whole to the power of 5 can be written as a to the power of 5 plus 5a power 4 b 10 a cube b square plus 10 a square b cube plus 5ab power 4 plus b to the power of 5 is equal to minus c power 5. So send the c power 5 to this side. A to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5. Now you got this part. Plus taking 5ab common here and here. 5ab common will get a cube plus b cube. Now taking 10a square b square common in the remaining two terms, 10a square b square into a plus b is equal to 0. Now here a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 plus 5ab of a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b minus 10a square b square of a plus b is equal to 0. Now here already we know that a plus b is equal to minus c. Now replace this value here, here and here. So what will get a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 plus 5ab of minus c cube minus 3ab of minus c plus 10a square b square minus c equal to 0. Now if you open the bracket here, a to the power of 5, b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 plus 5ab minus okay, you'll write here minus 5abc cube here minus 15 minus into minus plus 15 a b square c minus 10 a square b square c equal to 0. Now here you'll get a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 is equal to 5abc cube minus 5a square b square c. So here you'll get 5a square b square c going that side minus. Now a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 is equal to 5abc common. You will get c square minus ab. So here multiplying with 2 on both sides. So multiplying 2 on both sides, 2 of multiplying 2 on both sides, 2 of a to the power of 5 b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 is equal to 5abc of 2c square minus 2ab. Now 2 of a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 is equal to abc bracket c square plus c square minus 2ab. So here you are doing another logic. A plus b is equal to minus c. A plus b whole square is equal to c square. So from this replace with c square with a plus b whole square. 2 of a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 is equal to 5abc into c square a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now here RHS only I am writing 5abc of c square plus a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab get cancel. So final answer 2 into a to the power of 5 b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 is equal to 5abc of a square plus b square plus c square. So the required answer you got. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.